Come test drive the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 3rd row seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.